Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching my last two videos. So today I'm going to be installing a lace frontal. It's already customized and everything. I got it from HEYYY Beauty Hair on AliExpress. I want to do a review on this hair, so I'll be wearing it for a few days. After that I'm going to switch to color. I'll do a video on the color change as well, watercolor method. So right now I'm just cutting like holes into the air part so I can lay my cap down. I'm going to do the ball cap method. So be very careful with the scissors, you guys. And I'm just going to do the next air. It just makes it flatter for when I spray on the got2b glue. I'll write in the description bar everything I use in this tutorial. I'm being extra careful cutting by my ears. Okay, and then I'm gonna go and spray on my got2b. I spray it like right by the hairline, like by the hairline, as you guys can see. Now I have to blow dry it. I'm blow drying it on the cool setting. And I did not record the whole blow drying process because I know that would have been like a bore to watch. So now I'm just going to go in with my bold hole lace glue. And I'm just going to put it in front of my hairline so it doesn't get on my hair. I'm just going to do a few dots. Then I'm going to spread it out after I put the dots. So I'm not using that much glue. It's just dotting all around my hairline. And then I'm going to take the end of my edge control brush and just kind of spread it a bit. So I'm just spreading it out a bit so it doesn't get too bulky and then it doesn't look too white. As I dry it, you see it dries clear. I'm literally gonna just do two coats of it. So after it dries, I'm just gonna do a second layer, I should say. As you can see, I did like my ball cap method thing. Like, I don't know what happened in the middle of my forehead. I think when I was cutting it, I cut it too high a bit. So a little bit of my hair is poking out, so I'm just being very careful not to get glue on my hairline. Yep, that can happen sometimes. I can do a lace removal video as well. I have this product that I use and it takes my lace right off. No hair damage or anything. As you can see at the beginning of the video, I got some hair and I got some edges, so I'm very careful with my lace products because it can damage your hair. Come on, second layer. This is taking a minute. I'm going to speed it up a bit, like, you know, just want you guys to see that you do the same thing like you did the first time. Again, blow dry it on cool setting. Now it's time to apply this hair. It is a 10-inch bob from HEYYY Beauty on AliExpress. I can't really do a review on this hair for you guys. So it has a comb in the back. It came with 3 combs, but I cut out the 2 combs in the front. I cut it out. I left the one in the back. This is not usually how I apply my lace all the time. The reason I did it like this is because I wanted to do a customization, but it would have been difficult because the hair is too light for you guys to see a real customization. I'll customize another wig, but we'll get into that. So I'm just making sure I lay the lace right where the glue is, like right on it. Being very careful because I know it's very tacky. It'll stick really fast. So far, so good. Okay, this glue is good. It's my first time using bowl hole glue. Um, I'll put the, like I said, I'll put the description of everything I use inside of the description box. I'm just trying to see if this hair really will lay and, you know, go behind my ears and look like, you know, mine. I'm just trying to stick down the air tabs as well. Whenever I'm putting on a lace, like around my ear is the hardest place to make it stick for some reason. Okay. I'm trying to see some progress right now. Okay, now I'm getting into like trying to find my part. Then I'm going to start doing my baby hairs. Oh, I'm just going to get some powder and touch it up a bit. Like I want to put a little bit of brown powder in where the part is a bit to make it look like my skin tone a bit. I didn't use a lot at all. I was very like light-handed with that brush. Not too much. And a hot comb. Be very careful when using a hot comb, ladies and everybody else. Be very careful because I was trying to make sure it was lit, but I was making sure I didn't get burnt. I'm literally telling you guys it's hot. Like I can feel it by my ears. I'm like, be careful. You all see how that laying? Okay. Hot comb action. Then I'm gonna go in with my, it's called a slay stick. It's just like a pomade that makes the flyaways stay down. I got it from Hair Boss Niqua. She's on Instagram. I'm gonna put it inside of my description box as well. This thing tames your flyaways, so your hair don't be looking crazy. And I'm gonna go back with that hot comb because that, you know, it's like a pomade. So when you put the heat on it, it really sticks. You know, it's a good look. So far, so good with this hair. I mean, with the hot comb business. So I'm gonna go in with my Got to Be spray, my edge brush, and I'm just gonna do my edges and laying them down. You see it. I'm literally doing it and I'm noticing like, you know, something wasn't like correct. I'm laying and I'm like looking at it, there's like an extra piece of lace there or something, and I'm like, I gotta go and fix it. I'm still trying to swoop the baby hair to see if I can cover up that lace, but it is not being covered. So I'm literally gonna take my scissors now and just go in and remove that extra lace. Be like, see, that doesn't usually happen, but be very careful if you're gonna use scissors around your face or anything. Because I didn't cut the hairline when it was on my head. I cut it like while it was on my mannequin head. See, I'm like, do I swoop it? Do I leave it down? No for the swoop. No to the swoop. Okay. I'm trying to perfect it at this point. Trying to trim it a bit so, you know, look more natural or realistic. Okay, I don't think my head is in the frame correctly because I was doing that side. This is a work in progress, you guys. You guys are joining me along this journey. Trust me. It's only up from here. Getting in the frame. This hard comb action. Okay, I feel in the side at this point. Yeah, it's a look. Trying to swoop my baby hairs on the other side now. I'm trying to get them, you know, as natural looking as possible. I just wanted to cover up the extra lace. So I'm just hitting the sideburns now because I want them to be laid as well. And everything I'm doing, I'm using that spray that got to be spray. I don't like to use edge control too much because the oil in the edge control makes your lace lift. So that spray is actually pretty good. Okay, so now I'm feeling it. I'm trying to get into the look. Okay. I was trying to pull it forward a bit, but as you can see, that hair is a bit sparse, so it was not giving me what I wanted. I was trying to make it work, but So I had it more like a, you know, a cute, you know, look. Like I could push it back behind my ears. It's a thing. The back is, you know, it's good. I didn't snip off anything from the back. Okay. I'm feeling it at this point, yeah. Yeah, put that back. That is not going in the front. No, it's not a thing. But I all in all, this was a good installation. I could say that. But I'm going to do something with this hair. I'm going to film it as well. Guys, stay tuned. I'm going to do a watercolor method on this hair. Okay. Next video coming up. Why I keep trying to pull this forward? Oh no, just stay there. Good. Like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, to my channel. Thanks so much for watching the video.